I'm here with a brand new strategy on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. And if you've been on this channel, you know we talk about affiliate marketing quite often. But if you're new here, I'm going to explain it real briefly. Affiliate marketing is finding someone else's product and promoting it to an audience that is likely to buy it. And anytime they buy that product, you receive a commission. So, and I know everyone is always asking, with these methods, do you have to have money to start? Do you need a website? Do you need, and usually some of the methods you do need this, but in this method for today's video, you will not need any money. You will not need a website. You won't need to do a funnel. You won't need to do any of that. We'll be using pre-existing websites that are other people's or pages, and we'll piggyback off of those to direct traffic to our affiliate links. So let's go ahead and dive into the computer. As you see, new way to make money with affiliate marketing, no money, no website. And if you don't know exactly how this works, so you, as the person or prospect or business owner, you need to find a product to promote. And so as you see right here, this is you, and you're searching for a product, and this is Clickbank. If anybody of you are new, I'll show you Clickbank and how it works. But Clickbank is a marketplace for us to find affiliate products to promote. And this is what a Clickbank product would look like. And this shows average conversions. You click promote, you generate a hop link. This hop link is your affiliate URL, has an affiliate ID, which is a tracking ID that tracks back to you to pay you your commission. Once somebody goes through it, they purchase, you get paid a commission. And this is the average conversion of this particular product. As you can see, they can vary. So you can have high ticket, you can have low ticket, and so forth. So moving forward, you're going to need to choose a niche. I know we were just talking about picking a product, but you have to find which niche you want to promote first or be in. So if you take a look right here, my top 4 niches are going to be really the top 4 are health, wealth, relationships, and software. And when we're talking about health, we're talking anything from health related stuff to fitness related stuff. Like it could be workout plans, it could be diet plans, it could be health supplements, it could be weight loss supplements, anything that falls into a healthy category about whether it be weight loss, nutrition, diet, exercise, workouts, stuff like that. Wealth is mainly what I'm in, and that's the how to make money online, how to make money or how to structure finances, maybe promoting credit cards and stuff like that. For the sake of this video, we're going to stay in the health niche. But there's also relationships, there's software, if you want to do recurring software like web hosting and stuff like that. And there's plenty of other ones. You don't have to be in these just so happen to be some of the top performing niches that I have found over my course of doing this. So real quick, let's say we picked our niche. But what you have to do before we move into the actual training is I need you to subscribe. I need you to subscribe really quick. We'll wait a few seconds for everybody to click that button. And once you subscribe, I need you to smash that like button for me. Just give it a good thumbs up. Helps the algorithm, helps me be able to create this content. And then we'll move forward. So as soon as you hit that, we're going to move forward into the training. But if you're ready, let's dive into it. We're going to pick the health niche. So we're going to go over here to google.com, obviously, and we're going to type, you need to type something. After you figure out the niche, we're going to find tips related to it. So let's say we're in the niche of health. I'm going to do tips for keto meal prep. So I'm going to find, that's just what I chose. You could do, if you want to do tips for making money online. You can find tips for making money online, 32 proven ways to make money fast, 40 ways to make money quickly. You could do this for any niche you pick. Just find a list of tips. We're going to use the first example I showed you where we do the tips for keto meal prep. So we'll just open up the link. And now you see this is the 9 best keto meal prep lunch hacks. So it's an article or that somebody had typed up, and it has some really valuable information. So before, remember how I told you we're going to use other people's websites? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to piggyback off of this this page right here that you see. and we're going to promote our affiliate links on this page. And you're probably wondering, how are we going to do that without actually owning the page? So I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to do this. It's going to be called Sniply, snip.ly. This is a paid tool, but you could get started for free up to 1,000 clicks. And hopefully by the time you have 1,000 clicks through your link, you'll understand what I'm talking about, but hopefully you'll be generating some revenue by then. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is get started for free. You're going to want to create an account, and then after you create your account, you'll be able to go inside the dashboard, and I'll show you what that looks like here in just a second. All right, so I just set up a new account for you guys to show you exactly what it's going to look like when you get into the dashboard. So as soon as you create your account, it's going to be like, hey, welcome, let's create your first snip. And so you'll want to click create my first snip. You want to upload a photo. It doesn't matter if it's about you or if it's about like the niche you're choosing. Just you want to upload a photo because it's going to be displayed as an avatar. I'll show you what we're talking about here in a minute. Choose your name. I'm just going to go with the first name. It could be whatever you want it to be, but pick a name or the company. Click continue. It's going to say add your message. So we're in the keto diet. We're going to be best, and you can kind of think about this a little bit. Best keto. You know what? I skipped a step. We found our niche, but we didn't find our product. So real quick, let's dive over here. We're going to go to Clickbank, clickbank.com. You're going to want to log in. You're going to want to sign up, create an account. All right, once you're logged in to Clickbank and you're inside of your marketplace, you'll want to scroll down to the niche that you chose. We chose health and fitness. So as you can see real quick, again, Clickbank is where you find products to promote. Very simple to do. You just generate an affiliate link by clicking the promote button. I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. Let's scroll down to, and another thing, when you click a niche, they are already organized by rank of what is currently best selling. So usually you want to stay on a product on the first page so you know what's the best selling and it's more likely to convert. Custom keto diet. So you could open this up in a new window, open link in new tab. Yeah, new tab. You can see what your product is, so you know what it is. Get your custom keto diet plan. So this is for a free diet plan. Average conversion is $44.84. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to use this for this video. I'm going to click the promote button. It'll look like this, and my nickname, and then I'm going to click generate hop links. This is your affiliate link that pays you a commission. So we now need to take this back over to Sniply where it was asking us. So we're going to copy this hop link. Let's jump back over to Sniply. And so right here, it was like, now it's asking what our product is. So best keto, or here, since I know what it is, I'm going to get a personalized keto diet plan. Click here to get started. So this is what you see how it populated right here. It's going to show you what your product looks like. Button URL, and that's where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So now anytime anybody clicks this, you'll get paid a commission. We're going to hit setup, choose a page to snip. So now we're going to snip a page off the internet. So let's go back to this one, 9 best keto meal prep hacks. We're going to copy this page, go back to Sniply, post this page in the URL, and then hit continue. Unless this page didn't work. Let me see if that page doesn't work. Hold on, let me see. Let's take an example to see. There we go. So that first page didn't work. You saw how it didn't populate in the background right here, but this one did. So let's just say I did my research. I like this article. I'm going to put it on this page. So now I'm just going to hit continue. You just made a snip. So now you have your snip. This snip when shared with anybody, it's just like your own landing page. However, it's this article. It's if you were to have your own website, if you watch any of my other videos, like having your own ClickFunnels, your own link tree, or anything like that. So now we're just going to click copy and then open up a new window and paste it here so you can just take a look at what it does. As you see here, the Essential Guide to Effortless Keto Meal Prep. This is the article that we snipped. So this is what we're piggybacking off of. And as you see down here on the bottom left, you can see this is exactly what we did. This is where I said put your image, get a personalized keto diet plan by Austin. You can put whatever you want, your company's name, anything like that. Click here to get started. This is where we put our affiliate link. So let's see if it works. We'll click this button. And as you see, it pulls up the affiliate link that we got from Clickbank. So if someone goes through this process, this has our affiliate ID in it. As you look at the, you can't see it right here. Here, I'll pull it into the window. How an affiliate link works. If you look right here in the URL, it says hop, because we generated the hop link, equals my nickname, which is A Beck. That's how they know to pay me a commission if this goes through. So put this back so you guys can see it. So now we're in there. So now you're like, okay, that's great and all, Austin, but how do we actually get traffic to this affiliate link? So I'm gonna go over that a couple. There's so many ways you can get traffic. You could use forums. You could comment on forums, answer questions, create articles. So like Quora and Reddit, you could answer on those. You could create your own. You could run ads, but again, we're talking about a free organic strategy, so we're not going to talk about ads in this video. You could use Pinterest. You could do pins on Pinterest and other social media platforms. And you could also blog. But here, for the sake of today's video, we're going to talk about Facebook. How to get free traffic from Facebook. So if you go to Facebook, go over to groups, and in the group section, type keto. Just type keto diet, since that's our niche. Groups, hit see all, and you can see there's tons of groups in the keto diet. 19,000 members, 278,000 members, 88,000, 30,000, 275, 1.3, 1.3 million, all about keto diets. So you want to go join these groups, interact with these groups, and bring them value. So if you want me, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm not going to join these groups, but we'll just get back. We'll just go to one of my groups, or here, let me go back twice. We'll just go in here, and this, you would create a post. Whether you're interacting to other people's questions, asking how to do keto diet, you can redirect them to the article, or you could create a post. And let's just paste that Snipply link, and you see right here, it populates the image and it populates the website. But obviously we don't want to just spam our website everywhere. So you kind of want to talk about it. You want to be like, I'm going to do something. This isn't probably going to even make sense, but hey everyone, I came across this article to help create a free diet plan. Thought I would share it for anyone who is interested. Just something super short, simple, but it is part of the pain point. It talks about the pain point of a customer. So these people, they're paying, well, not really the pain maybe that the pain point here would probably, with that little bit, is they probably don't know how to get a keto diet. The solution is, I found an article that discusses how to get a keto diet. And then the offer is inside, is the website where they go, and then they get a keto diet for free. It wasn't much, it wasn't thought out. I just did it on a whim. But that's a great way to start generating traffic for absolutely free. So I hope that helped. I think that was everything for this video. That's all you have to do. You eventually start putting these links. You could do this on all kinds of articles. Just like I said, you don't need a website. You don't need anything for this. All you have to do is piggyback off of existing pages. It doesn't actually link the whole website. It's just, it links to that first page. So as you just imagine how, where was it? Like, look at that. It's a whole entire article with you right on the main page. So I hope you see how powerful this is. I hope you take it seriously. And if you yeah, we're done clicking. If you guys need more help with this, and if you want to see like my best affiliate program, if you're a complete beginner, click the link in the description. It's for the 15-day challenge to help you actually get started implementing strategies to build your affiliate marketing business. Again, please subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and smash that like button to help the algorithm. That way I can keep putting out content like this to help all of you. We will see you in the next one.